In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an employee's manager in QuickBooks Accountant. This process is simple and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks account. You'll see the option to sign in on the QuickBooks website, so go ahead and click on that. Once you are on the login page, select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This is where you'll access the necessary tools and features for this task. Input your credentials, your username and password, and then click Continue. It's important to remember that these credentials are what keep your account secure, so make sure you're typing them in correctly. Once you've logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Employees section. You can find this by looking at the top menu or the sidebar, depending on your QuickBooks layout. Clicking on Employees will take you to a list of all your active employees. Find the employee whose manager you need to update and click on their profile. This action opens up all the details related to that specific employee. Now that you're on the employee's profile page, look for the employment details section. This area contains critical information about the employee's current work status and reporting structure. You'll notice an option to edit. This is your next stop. Clicking on edit will enable you to make changes to the employee's information. Once you're in edit mode, search for the field labeled manager. This is where you'll be entering the name of the new manager. Carefully change the manager by selecting from the available list or typing in the correct name. It's a simple yet crucial step that determines who has oversight over this employee's tasks and responsibilities. Ensure that the correct manager is selected to avoid any confusion in reporting lines and workflow. After you've updated the manager's name and reviewed all changes for accuracy, be sure to click on Save. This step is imperative because no changes will be applied unless you save them. Once saved, the system updates the reporting structure and your task is complete. Congratulations! With just a few clicks, you've successfully changed the manager for an employee in QuickBooks Accountant. This adjustment will be reflected in your QuickBooks system immediately, ensuring that your records are always up to date. If you have any other changes to make within your employee directory, you can repeat these steps. Thanks for following along with this QuickBooks tutorial, and I hope these instructions were helpful.